Welcome to a dream home with a modern, minimalist design that blends harmoniously with nature. The facade combines natural stone and large glass windows, creating an elegant and natural look. At the terrace, we are welcomed by a cozy sitting area facing the front yard. The main door, made of solid wood with glass accents, enhances the luxurious and functional feel. Upon entering, we are greeted by a spacious living room with an open space concept. A combination of neutral colors such as white, gray, and wood tones creates a warm and inviting ambience. Moving to the kitchen and dining area, the modern minimalist concept continues. The kitchen features an island with a white marble countertop, creating an elegant and functional look. The master bedroom is designed for maximum comfort. Minimalist furniture with earth tone colors creates a relaxing atmosphere. Stepping into the bathroom, we are greeted by a modern and elegant space designed for both style and functionality. The combination of neutral tones, natural stone, and warm lighting creates a spa-like ambience. No home is complete without a spacious backyard featuring a cozy sitting area and a lush green garden. The serene atmosphere is enhanced by tall trees surrounding the house.